Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2017 Great Dane 36'6" by 102 aluminum combo spring ride universal mounting kit on the back, folks. It's a beautiful unit. 2017 Great Dane. Look how clean this thing is underneath. All the metal's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate's been verified, checked. Internal structure's in excellent condition. New landing gear. This unit did get all new rub rail all the way around both sides. Nice aluminum deck. Brand new buyer's toolbox. Outer rim, steel refurbed outer rim. Brand new rubber all the way around. All of our trailers gets brand new rubber. Brakes are 80% to new on drums and brakes. This particular unit has new drums and brakes on it. Universal mounting kit. Carries Moffett, Princeton, LoadMac, many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lift.com. You can see all our available piggybacks, trucks, and trailers for sale. All of our trailers do get new straps, refurbed ratchets. This beautiful 2017 aluminum combo 36'6" is ready to go. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lift.com.